This 2026 load trail, CB83 by 20 feet equipment trailer 14K Dove and stand-up ramp is a equipment trailer. It is located in Buhl, Idaho, 83316 and is offered for sale by Idaho Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new load trail is 20 feet 0 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2026 load trail, CB83 by 20 feet equipment trailer 14K Dove and stand-up ramp is 3,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Idaho Trailer Sales.